Hello and welcome team. Here's the video for our reference and guidelines.
We are going to be installing the Everpure Enviro reverse osmosis system. In the installation, we'll walk through the major components of the system, go through a pre-installation checklist, check the pre-charge on the accumulator tank, and hang the unit on the wall. Prior to installation, ensure the unit can be mounted within a reasonable distance of the water supply and drain facilities. Ensure there is an unswitched 115 VAC GFIC protected receptacle available for powering the system. Make sure there is adequate clearance and support to install the unit and permit access for maintenance. The total system weight will vary based upon the model and the storage tank selected. The inlet water supply must meet the following requirements: a minimum of 25 psi pressure on a consistent basis, less than 1000 ppm of total dissolved solids, a pH level between 7 and 9, and a turbidity of less than 1 NTU. Incoming water supplies that do not meet these requirements may need additional pretreatment prior to the system. Completed installation must meet all local and national codes. A carbon prefiltration system must be installed upstream of the MRS Enviro to protect the membrane. The Enviro system comes with an installation and operation guide, a packet of capillary tubes and a plug, a manual bypass valve assembly, a concentrate control valve, fittings to adjust from John Guest to beverage tubing, a mounting bracket, a water conditioning cartridge, a reverse osmosis membrane, and the Enviro unit itself. Locate the system in an area that is convenient to the inlet water supply and drain facilities. Consider ease of access for servicing when selecting a location. Finally, evaluate the mounting surface for its ability to properly support the weight of the processor when in operation. The processor weighs approximately 90 pounds. The Enviro system comes with a wall mounting bracket. This bracket allows greater installation flexibility and ease of processor placement. Lift the processor and hook the metal lip of the processor backplate over the top edge of the wall mount bracket. Install two number 12 minimum fasteners in the 2-inch wide slots along the bottom edge of the processor backplate. We now install the manual bypass valve assembly by inserting the tubes into the inlet, the steamer, and the coffee ports on the Enviro system. Shut off the water to the prefiltration system and run a line from the prefiltration to the MRS Enviro system. To take the MRS Enviro system out of bypass, turn the inlet, the two bypass valves, the steamer line, and the coffee line valves all into the vertical position. Now we'll check the pre-charge on the accumulator tank. We do this by first removing the cover from the Schrader valve. We then check the pressure to ensure that we have 30 psi pre-charge. Connect a 3/8-inch tube to the Y connector labeled waste at the lower right-hand corner of the Enviro system and direct this line to a floor drain, ensuring proper air gap as according to local plumbing code. The unit is now ready for installation and activation of the cartridges.